Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Deutsche Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in deutsche-bank.de and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Deutsche Bank website. You can translate your language if you prefer by using Google Translate. And now from the homepage, in order to log into your account, click on online banking at the top right corner. This will now take you into the login portal. Just enter your branch 3-digit code and then type in your account number. After this, just enter your sub-account digits and then enter your 5-digit PIN number within the PIN box. You can also choose which kind of page you would like to be taken using the drop-down menu. And now click on the execute login button and then you will be logged into your Deutsche Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your PIN, you will need to contact the support team who will allow you and guide you through the steps to reset your PIN code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Deutsche Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.